Hello, I'm Rick Cromer, and like you, I share trades with other traders, and I want to show you today an easy way to copy and paste trades into ThinkOrSwim. So when you get a trade from somebody and it's been copied from ThinkOrSwim, it's going to be in this format right here. So what I'm going to do is I'll select this trade and I'll copy it into the clipboard. I'll come back over to ThinkOrSwim, and there's a little control down the bottom of the screen. When I click that, it will open up this section. And what we want to do is we want to get into the order entry and saved orders. So I'll expand that by clicking this greater than symbol. And then what we can see here is a place where there's normally a trade and a clipboard, and I can click this clipboard and it will paste that trade into ThinkOrSwim. So normally what I like to do is I like to show that trade in the analyzer. Right now it's in the trade tab. I want to go into Analyze tab. So I can use the menu to move this into an analyzer. And there's two different ways to do that. There's a menu that you can select from the right side right here, and it'll pull up this menu. Or if I'm on this line, I can right mouse click it and it'll pull up that same menu. Anywhere on this line, I can do that. Normally I don't do it over the numbers or dates because I don't want to change something. I normally do it over on a static portion of this line. But depending on however way you do it, I'm saying that I want to analyze this trade. And what it's done is it's copied this trade into my analyzer, and I don't really need it here anymore, so I can delete it. And I can look at it now in the analyzer. And we'll notice that the zero line, which is the current price right here, this price is where the current price of the stock is trading. And there's a difference between this pink line and the zero line. So obviously, if I put this order in, I wouldn't get it filled unless I paid more than I wanted to pay for it. So I want to try to get it down where the price is around this point right here. So I'm going to select, I'm going to unlock it. It will adjust this price, and now that's actually the mark price, the mid price that this trade is going for. And so now I'm ready to put this trade in. Again, I can right mouse on this line and push my trade, or I can click on the right side and get to this menu. Normally I create a duplicate order because it leaves that order in the analyzer. And then if I want, I can make the change to the price on here. Again, the mid is right around here. And if I want to pay a little more than mid, try to push that trade in, I can. If I want to pay less than the mid, I can do that too. So I can select the 190 maybe that I want to get it filled at, and then go ahead and send it in. I'm not going to do that because this account is not set up for that. And so I just wanted to show you how to get it there. One other thing that's real handy now is, let's say that you have a trade that you wanted to share with somebody. You can go ahead and right mouse this again, or click this menu item over here, say copy trade, and then when you go back over to the clipboard, you can go ahead and paste this trade that you just copied right into here. You can see it's a different price than this price right here. So I copied it from this screen right here, from the ThinkOrSwim. Anyway, good luck on your trading. We'll see you.